Hello guys, my name is Vijay Kumar Hamdala, and as a part of CS4020 exercise meetup assignment, and today I'm going to explain about my meetup event. My meetup name is Mission Learning for Anyone and Everyone. So about the meetup, name of the meetup is Mission Learning for Anyone and Everyone. Name of the meetup group is Big Data and IoT 101. So this is a URL of meetup, and this meetup is also conducted through WebEx for the online users. So this is a URL for the WebEx, and this is the meetup details. This is and details of the meetup, and this is the URL and URL attendees of the meetup. So these are some screenshots of invitation of the meetup and big data and IoT 101 group meetup. So the agenda of the meetup is understanding machine learning core concept and a demo of Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Studio and a model. The location of meetup is 39111 Paseo by Parkway. The suite is 305. It is in Fremont, California. Date of the meetup is May 9th, 2018, and time of the meetup is 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. The actual registered people for the event is 40 plus, but 25 plus, around 25 plus people are shown up for the event. List of presenters. Raju Srivastava is a presenter and organizer of this meetup, and Julie Thomas is a co-organizer of this meetup. You can find the pictures of those two persons. And this is the introduction slide. What Raju Srivastava has explained about him. He is a co-founder of Big Data Trunk and is interested in data and analytics, and he is architect by profession. This is about presenter. And what was said in the meetup. So he started meetup with introduction. So we got a chance to introduce ourselves, like who I am and name, and what is the overall experience on machine learning, and what are the future plans, and how did we hear about the meetup. So these are the basic questions we answered the part of introduction. Then he started with what is machine learning. So we also discussed about machine learning model versus traditional model. The ML versus traditional model is like in traditional programming, we give data and program to the computer so that computer can depict the output based on the program. But coming to machine learning model, we give data and output to the computer so that computer can depict the program, like what actual program is using to get the particular output using the data. So this is how he has given a basic understanding about machine learning model and traditional model. And later on, he also explained about a model based machine learning model example. The real-time example is Gmail. So he explained about the Gmail, like how emails are scanned and thrown towards spam folder and inbox folder based on the email content and based on the email address from where the email has come. He also explained about use cases of machine learning like image classification, object detection, and face recognition, and speech and natural language processing. He also explained about supervised and unsupervised learning in the meetup. He gave a basic example of fruits and the colors of fruits to divide them into supervised learning model and unsupervised learning model. So we were also discussed about classification, regression, and clustering models of machine learning. He also explained about a basic model using machine learning, Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Studio. So this is the first peak where he's explaining about the cheat sheet developed by Microsoft Azure team. And in the second screen, we designed a basic demo application of machine learning. The name of the application, the name of the model is income prediction. So based on the employee details, based on the employee performance and experience, so this model gonna predict the income of the employee. Whom I met in Meetup. Actually, I met one person. His name is Vinay Yadapnawar. So he's a lead engineer in data science. The company name is Gaslight Health. So I asked him about career growth in data science. He explained well with a real-time example and also suggested some changes in my resume. We have also discussed about how to use education knowledge for the professional work. So as a student, I want to know like how I utilize my skills, what I'm learning in university and what I'm learning at my school. So how to use those skills in professional work. So he explained very well about that, and we also discussed about internship opportunities for the summer, and I also shared my profile with him. And I've also asked one question to presenter, like what is the advantage of this Azure Machine Learning Studio over the ML tools? Because we have already have some other ML tools uh, like different ML tools like TensorFlow. So he explained about he explained about the Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Studio advantages. So it has no data limit to import the data. Like it can use Azure Cloud to import the data, and it has a drag and drop system to create the machine learning models. And it also has built-in algorithms, other algorithms like linear regression, Navi-based algorithms, for example. And it can also we can also publish the data model as a web services using this Microsoft Azure Studio. What I think about the meetup. Uh, Meetups are a great opportunity for me to meet and listen to people's stories and experiences. So I got a very good idea about importance of machine learning and a cheat sheet of my Microsoft Azure machine learning model algorithms in this meetup. I met and interacted with people who have good knowledge in data science and data analytics. This meetup is more towards advertising their institution courseworks, even though we explained about basics of machine learning and models of machine learning. But after ending of the event, I got understanding that he is doing these meetup group events for the advertisement sake. It helped me to know basics of machine learning and how we use machine learning in our daily life with this meetup. Overall, it is useful and helpful to know about ML basics and Azure Studio. It was really a good idea to attend meetup to improve networking connections. I have also attended a few other meetups conducted by Amazon Alexa team and IBM Index team at Galvanize San Francisco. I have also gathered experience of professionals and shared my profile for further openings in their companies with the meetup group. So I got a chance to share my profile with the meetup events. So I would be joining in some other groups to improve networking apart from this group. So, as a part B of this event, I have attended a CSUB Tech Club event conducted by ACMW Student Chapter. So, this is the invitation email from ACMW Student Chapter chair. Her name is Revati Bhuvaneshwari. So, she conducted an event called Lawrence Livermore National Labs Info Session. The event name is Lawrence Livermore National Labs Info Session, and it is connected by ACMW Student Chapter. The date is on May 10th, 2018. Time is from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Location North Science Building 306, room number. The presenters are David Fox, Alfredo, and Pascal. These three guys are working as a computer scientist in Lawrence Livermore National Labs. So they discussed about their research projects, and they also talked about opportunities for students for as a full-time and internship. These are the few pics what I have taken during the meetup. So these three guys are the presenters of this event. And if you find like if you see you can find Kevin Brown. So he's our department chair. And this is my GitHub profile, and these are the projects I have in my GitHub profile, and I have to upload some other projects what I have done in this quarter. And this is my Bitbucket profile. So I used this Bitbucket in last quarter when I was doing network security project. So I uploaded my code to Bitbucket and I shared this project to my professor using Bitbucket. And this is my Stack Overflow profile. I have created this profile like 1 year, 6 months ago. And I have also completed all the deliverables for this particular exercise, like from part A and from part B. Thank you.